Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve a functional equation, and this equation is you have x squared times fx plus f of 1 minus x, and this is equals to 2x. Then you have to find what is the function, that is f of x. Now how will you solve this problem? If you try to solve this problem, the first difficulty you will find that is argument is not same. Here argument is x and here argument is 1 minus x. So somehow you have to make one argument and then you have to solve. And this can be done by writing two equations and solving these two equations. So let us see how we can do that. So what we will do is we will replace x with 1 minus x. And why I am doing this, you will see soon. So let us replace x with 1 minus x. Wherever you have x, this will be 1 minus x. And this is f of 1 minus x plus f of 1 minus x. And x is nothing but 1 minus x in this case. And this is equals to 2 times 1 minus x. So what you have? You have 1 minus x whole square, f of 1 minus x plus, this is what? This term is what? 1 minus 1 is 0 and minus x minus of minus x, that is plus x. So this is simply f of x, and that's why we replace x with 1 minus x. Now you have 2 into 1 minus x. Now see these two equations. Now in this equation you have f of 1 minus x, and in this equation also you have f of 1 minus x. So we can eliminate these two. So let us call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let us rewrite equation 1. So I can write equation 1, this is x square fx plus f of 1 minus x is equals to 2x. Now I want to eliminate f of 1 minus x. This means I have to multiply by 1 minus x whole square. So let us multiply this equation by 1 minus x whole square. So if you multiply, what you will have? You will have 1 minus x whole square, x square fx, and this will be 1 minus x whole square, f of 1 minus x, and then this side you will have 2x times 1 minus x whole square. And let us write equation 2 just below this so that we can cancel out. So equation 2 is this equation. The first term is 1 minus x whole square, f of 1 minus x, and the second term is fx. So let us write this term here, fx, and this is equals to 2 times 1 minus x. So this is what your equation 2. Now let us subtract these two equations. So if you subtract, you will have a negative sign, negative sign, negative sign. This term cancels out, and here what you will have? So here you will have 1 minus x square fx minus fx, and this is equals to 2x times 1 minus x whole square minus 2 times 1 minus x. So let us simplify this equation now. So I can take fx common here. So if you take fx common, what you will have? You will have x square 1 minus x square minus 1, and here you can take 1 minus x common. So what is left? You have 2x times 1 minus x minus 2. So this is fx, this is equals to, so this is what? This is x into 1 minus x whole square. So I can also rewrite this. This is simply x into 1 minus x whole square. Now this is a square minus b square. So this will become a plus b into a minus b. So fx times a plus b into a minus b. So x into 1 minus x plus 1 times x into 1 minus x minus 1, and this side will have 1 minus x, And let us expand this. So we will have 2x minus 2x square minus 2. In fact, I can take 2 common. So this 2 goes here. So I can take this 2 outside. So this 2 goes here. So 2 times this. So from here you can rewrite this is fx is equals to, no, not equal to. This is what? This number is x minus x square plus 1. And this is what? This is x minus x square minus 1. And this time we have 2 times 1 minus x. And this is x minus x square minus 1. Now see, this term and this term is same. If you see the left hand side and right hand side, so this is right hand side and this is left hand side, this term is same. I can cancel these two terms provided that this is not equals to 0. So let us cancel this and prove that this is not 0 indeed. So this is not 0. So we can prove this. So this is, so let us first prove that this term is not equal to 0. So I have x minus x square minus 1. I can take minus common. So this is x plus x square plus 1 and there will be a negative sign. Now see, I can rewrite this equation as x square minus 1 by 2 times 2 times x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 1 can be written as plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This is what? This is nothing but x minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this term is x minus 1 by 2 whole square. And this is 3 by 4. So this is a positive number and this is also a positive number. So this term is greater than 0. Of course, you have a negative sign. So this overall, this is a negative, but it is not 0. So I can say this term is not 0 and that's why we have cancelled this term. So now what will be the fx? So if you see, fx will be, this is 2 times 1 minus x and this divided by x minus x square plus 1. Now of course, this term should not be 0. So the domain will not have this term is equals to 0. So what are the x for which this term is 0? So we can find those values also. So let us find it here. So x minus x square plus 1 is equals to 0, or I can say x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation and roots for this equation will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac and this divided by 2. So x is equals to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So this is the function that we have calculated, but this is defined only if x is not equal to, so this is x is not equal to 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Otherwise, this function is defined. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you with more exciting video in coming days. Thank you.